Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So listen, not everybody has the time to learn video creation, editing, or attaining the professional skills required to make great videos. But guess what? In 2025, there are some great software tools out there to help you do just that. And we're going to check out 5 of them in today's video. So let's go.
All right, guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome back to another awesome video on the channel. This is an AI focused video. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 5 AI video generation tools that you must try in 2025, okay? Because you know what? Creating high quality videos used to take hours of editing, expensive software, and professional skills. Now, I do have all of these skills. I do love creating videos manually using Sony Vegas Pro and Camtasia and Toonly and a bunch of other different softwares, which obviously I've enjoyed, but I know not everybody enjoys the time that it takes and not everybody has the time to put in. But guess what? In 2025, AI video generators can turn text into videos. That's right. That's super exciting. And it's also going to help to streamline a lot of business owners who want to use video to advertise. It's going to help. It's one selfie into a full face cam presentation, all within minutes. Now, whether you're a YouTuber, a marketer, business owner, or content creator, these tools are going to save you time, money, and effort while delivering studio level results. And in this video, like I said, I'm going to share the top 5 AI video generation tools that you must try in 2025. And these tools obviously shaping the future of content creation. So let's get started. And the first one that we're going to talk about is up there on the screen right now. At number 1 on our list is Runway AI, and you can learn everything you need to know about it. And this is pretty cool. Make anything a new kind of creation toolkit with everything you need to generate any video, image, or piece of content that you want. Dozens of tools at your disposal. You can learn how the workflow, you can learn how the world's leading organizations and artists are using Runway. Okay, so check out everything you need to know. Apps for everything right here as well. And you can build the workflow that works for you. Okay, very exciting. I'm pretty excited for this, and you can check out more there. So Runway AI. Now, this is one of the most advanced AI video tools ever built because it's used by filmmakers, marketers, and even Hollywood creators. That's right, if you didn't know that, okay? Now, it also allows you to generate videos from text prompts, create animations, replace backgrounds, and even enhance footage with professional tools. Now, why is it amazing? Well, because it's industry-leading video generation quality, text to video with cinematic effects, advanced editing tools include motion tracking and rotoscoping, which is really, really cool. Now, this is also used in film productions as well, and it's best for creators who want Hollywood-level AI video quality, okay? All right, so the next one we're going to talk about at number 2 on our list is Pika Labs, and we're going to get into that one right now, guys, so just bear with me. All right, so the next one on the list at number 2 is Pika Labs. That's right, and Pika Labs blew up in 2024 to 2025 for its incredible AI animation and storytelling. As you can see, obviously a really cool tool right there on the screen. You can sign in with Google, Facebook, or other social media there as well to check it out. And you can generate entire scenes using text. You can turn images into moving shots. That's right, very cool, right? And create smooth character animation. That's amazing. Now, why do people love this tool? Well, smooth, realistic motion, easy prompt-based video creation. That's key. I think people really gravitate towards stuff that's easy and prompt-based nowadays. It's also great for shorts, reels on Instagram, ads, and storytelling. Also has very fast generation speeds as well, okay? Now, this is best for short-form creators, storytellers, and motion designers, okay? All right, so coming in at number 3 on our list is Synthesia, and we're going to dive into that one right now, and I'm excited, so get pumped. All right, so I sincerely apologize, but I will not be able to show you Synthesia.io because for some reason, when I load the website, it freezes my entire system, and I tried multiple browsers. So unfortunately, can't show you Synthesia.io, but the next one on our list is InVideo. That's right. So InVideo is right here. Create videos without limits. Everything you need to know right here. Go through it. Check it all out. I'm sure you're going to find something for everybody. You can create anything with this software, edit like you think, okay? Now, InVideo makes it incredibly easy to generate YouTube-ready videos from just one prompt, so it's very, very fast and efficient. It also will write the script for you, create the scenes, and add stock footage, voices, transitions, basically everything, okay? Now, why is it so powerful? Well, because it has full script plus video creation from a single prompt, making it very efficient. It also has human-like AI voiceovers, massive template library. Okay, so you're going to be able to basically create anything with these templates. Perfect for faceless YouTube channels. All right. It's also best for YouTube creators and people who want fast, done-for-you videos. All right, so the last one on our list at number 4 is HeyGen, and we're going to dive into that one right away here. All right, so now we're checking out HeyGen, free your story with the AI video creator. Check out everything you need to know up here. All the information is there for you guys. Check out, okay? Look at all this amount of people using it. That is insane. Awesome stuff. Tell any story with this awesome AI video creator. Go through the website. Look at all the great features it has. All the tutorials are here for you to check out. You're going to learn how to use it in just a few minutes. I'm really excited for it. This is a pretty extensive website here. But again, go through it and check it out for yourself. I think it's going to be great. And what makes HeyGen so great is that it's famous for its hyper-realistic face swapping and AI avatars. And with one selfie, what's really cool is that you can create a talking AI version of yourself. I haven't tried this, but it's kind of intriguing. And this is perfect for content creators who don't always want to be on camera. And some of its top features include the following, okay? Create an AI clone of yourself, intriguing, realistic face swaps, natural voice generation, multilingual video translation, so language barriers will be a thing of the past. And your video can speak 20 plus languages in your own voice. That's phenomenal. Now, this is best for influencers, YouTubers, and personal brand creators, okay? All right, so now I'm going to give you guys some AI video creation tips to help you stay safe out there. Before choosing one of these tools, make sure to keep these things in mind, okay? Test multiple tools. Each one has different strengths. Always make sure that you check licensing for commercial use. Use your own voice or avatar for branding. Make sure you optimize videos for YouTube, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Do not upload sensitive or personal images, okay? And that's it. These are the top 5 AI video generation tools you must try in 2025. Unfortunately, again, we couldn't show Synthesia, and I apologize because the website is freezing my entire system. I don't know what's going on with it. I apologize in advance, okay? From Runway's Hollywood great effects to HeyGen's realistic AI avatars, these tools are redefining how creators work in 2025. I want to thank you guys for watching, and remember, with AI, your creativity scales automatically.
All right, guys, so which of these tools are you excited to try out first? Let me know down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, like the video, comment, and subscribe for more crypto, AI tools, and smart finance videos, and we will see you in the next one.